Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Medela membranes is probably one of the most essential accessories for any breastfeeding mother using a Medela breast pump. These tiny, yet mighty, components play a crucial role in maintaining suction and ensuring efficient milk expression. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Medela membranes, exploring their function, why they're so important, and how to choose the right ones for your pump. Number 5. Nenesupply membranes and valves for Medela breast pumps. Are you looking for replacement parts for your Medela breast pump? These are compatible with various Medela models. They offer a reliable alternative. This set includes valves and membranes, designed for use with pump and style advanced, Symphony, Swing, Harmony, and mini electric breast pumps. It's a versatile solution for your pumping needs. These parts are made by Nenesupply, offering a compatible and interchangeable option. They are designed to work seamlessly with your existing Medela breast shields. Made from BPA-free and DHP-free materials, these parts are safe for you and your baby. You can easily sanitize them with boiling water or steam. They provide the same suction power as the original parts, ensuring efficient milk expression. They are also easy to remove from the breast shields. To maintain optimal output, it's important to replace the valves and membranes regularly. This helps ensure your pump functions at its best. What we like. This product is designed to work seamlessly with your Medela breast pump. It's made without BPA and DHP, ensuring safety for you and your baby. If you're looking for a cost-effective alternative that doesn't compromise on performance, you should consider this. What people say. These membranes are a perfect fit for my Medela pump. They work great and are easy to install. The suction is strong and consistent. Number 4. Medela Symphony Breast Pump Kit. This kit includes everything you need to start pumping. It works with Medela's hospital-grade Symphony pump. You can use it for single or double pumping. The Symphony Breast Pump Kit comes with all the necessary accessories. This includes tubes, membranes, valves, and PersonalFit breast shields. It also includes connectors and breast milk bottles. The kit includes important accessories. You'll find PersonalFit breast shields, connectors, and breast milk bottles. These are essential for a comfortable and effective pumping experience. All parts and accessories that touch breast milk are made without BPA. This ensures safety and gives you peace of mind. It's designed with your baby's health in mind. The kit includes a double pumping kit with medium, 24 mm, PersonalFit breast shields. It also comes with 5-ounce breast milk bottles with lids. Everything is designed for your convenience. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to start pumping with the Symphony pump. It includes essential accessories, making it a convenient choice. If you are a new mom or need a comprehensive solution, this is a great choice. What people say. They work great. I have been using these for a while now and they work just as well as the original ones. These are great replacements for the Medela pump. Number 3. Medela Spare Membranes. Introducing Medela Spare Membranes. These are authentic Medela spare parts designed to enhance your pumping experience. This product provides extra parts for all Medela breast pumps, excluding the Freestyle model. It ensures you always have what you need. Each package includes 6 membranes. This provides a sufficient supply for regular use, ensuring the pump functions effectively. These membranes are made in Canada. You can trust the quality and origin of this product. With these spare membranes, you can maintain the efficiency of your Medela breast pump. They are essential for optimal performance. What we like. These are authentic Medela spare membranes, ensuring the quality and performance you expect. It comes with multiple membranes, so you'll have spares on hand. If you want to stick with the original brand, this is the way to go. What people say. The Medela membranes work great. They are easy to clean. They are a perfect fit. Number 2. Medela Spare Valves and Membranes, 2 sets. These are authentic Medela spare parts, made with the quality materials moms trust. Counterfeit parts may affect pump performance, so it's important to choose the real deal. Medela is the breast pump brand most chosen by moms. These spare valves and membranes are ideal to have on hand for when you need them. This set includes 2 valves and 2 membranes, compatible with Medela breast pumps like Sonata, Pump in Style, Swing, and Symphony. However, it's not compatible with freestyle or hands-free style breast pumps. All Medela parts that touch breast milk are made without BPA. This ensures the safety of your baby and provides peace of mind. These spare parts are designed for all Medela breast pumps, excluding the freestyle model. They are a convenient way to ensure your pump is always ready to use. What we like. These are authentic Medela replacement parts, ensuring the quality and performance you expect. It's from the brand most recommended by physicians. If you value brand trust and reliability, you should choose this. What people say. These membranes are a perfect fit for my Medela pump. They work great and are easy to install. I have had no issues with these membranes. Number 1. Medela PersonalFit Flex Replacement Connectors. These connectors are designed to work with Medela's Pump in Style with MaxFlow technology, Swing Maxi, and Freestyle Flex breast pumps. They ensure a perfect fit and optimal performance for your pumping sessions. The closed system design features overflow protection. This prevents milk from entering the tubing and motor, keeping everything clean and hygienic. These are authentic Medela spare parts, ensuring the quality and performance you expect. Keep an extra set on hand for work or travel, or replace lost or damaged connectors. The design allows you to pump in a more reclined and comfortable position. This can make your pumping experience more relaxed and efficient. The connectors work with all PersonalFit breast shields and sizes, including the PersonalFit Flex breast shields. This allows you to customize your pumping setup for the best results. What we like. This product is compatible with several Medela pumps and features overflow protection, keeping your pump clean. The design allows for a more comfortable pumping experience. If you are looking for convenience and comfort, this is a great option. What people say. These membranes are a perfect fit for my Medela pump. They work great and are easy to install. I have had no issues with these membranes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.